Before joining digital marketing course, I searched about the institute and I found Digital Trainee because they provide 100% practical courses, which makes it different from the other institutes.
I'll recommend to my friends about Digital Trainee if they really want to achieve something in digital marketing field.
I would recommend everyone to join the Digital Trainee as the class is good. They provide materials also, practicals also, and sir is also friendly. After inquiring in 3-4 different institutes, I found some things which are only in digital training that are a practical approach in learning, website for each student.
Hi, I am Nipun Rawat. I chose Digital Trainee because I was attracted by the internship certificate of 3 months.
Hello, my name is Kaustubh Jadhav. So 2 months ago, I thought I should do something about my career. So now the technology is upgrading and everybody is connected to Facebook, Instagram. So I thought digital marketing is the right career. So on Google, I searched about digital marketing and I found the first website which is Digital Trainee. So I came to know about this. Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Datar. I completed my BE in computer science. I have more than 6 years of experience in traditional marketing. Now I want to move my career, so that's why I want to do a digital marketing course for career growth. So that's why I inquire about digital marketing course in 3-4 different institutes in Pune. After inquiring in 3-4 different institutes, I found some things which are only in digital training that are a practical approach in learning, website for each student, fee structure.
Hi, my name is Abhishek Shivankar. I chose digital marketing for my career purpose. I am looking for a digital marketing course. So my friend suggests to go in a digital training, and they told me that digital trainees provide 100% practical knowledge.
Hi, my name is Rishabh Sharma. I want to do digital marketing course because I found it as a boom in the industry. Before joining digital marketing course, I searched about the institute and I found Digital Trainee because they provide 100% practical courses, which makes it different from the other institutes.
And I'm coming about the assignments that we did helped me apply whatever I learned in my class practically. That gave me a new sense of confidence that I can do it anytime when asked.
I have done all the assignments. Assignments help me for the practical knowledge, which will be helpful in my future.
The assignments are about social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and SEO, that is search engine optimization. And the assignments are like easy, and for us it is to understand where we lie. Also there are practical assignments which are there and which were very helpful for us to learn digital marketing.
Assignment is very helpful for any practical purpose in future.
Assignments are helpful for practicing because what we have learned in the class, it helps for practicing there.
I have created a website called www.iaspireenterprises.com. It was initially made for selling clothes both for men and women online. When I convert the website to e-commerce website, it will start functioning commercially.
Here I have made a website of Shekhawati OTC and Cargo Movers. It's basically a logistic company-based website.
So my website is about Otaku Ideas. It is a blogging site in which I blog about trekking, anime, movies, food related stuff.
I have developed a blogging website named Info Free Spirit. In that website, I'm going to share about the cricket because I'm very passionate about cricket.
My website name is Digibles. Digibles is all about giving services to the clients.
My website name is gharkanashta.com, in which we deliver homemade food.
Our trainer, Mr. Vishal sir, he is a gem of a person. He is a very patient person who explains all the concepts and clears all our doubts patiently without getting irritated even for a second. Whenever I asked him, whenever I needed him, he was always there for me. And thanks to his guidance, today I am feeling confident enough to conquer the world as a digital marketer.
He is very student friendly and clear every doubts and individual support was given by him.
Our sir is Vishal sir. He is a great teacher. He teaches very nicely and he also gives notes. The digital trainee says that we conduct 100% practicals, but the sir also gave us note. That was a good point.
He thoroughly teaches us every aspect of digital marketing. He is friendly to approach. We can easily approach for any query to him.
My trainer name is Vishal sir. He is very supportive and helpful in any query.
Our trainer name is Mr. Vishal Vakre sir. He is very friendly and his teaching is very easy to understand.
It's an excellent institution for all aspiring digital marketers.
I will recommend to my friends about Digital Trainee if they really want to achieve something in digital marketing field.
I would recommend everyone to join the digital training as the class is good. They provide materials also, practicals also, and sir is also friendly.
I will recommend my friend, and already I have recommended my one friend. His name is Nikhil, and he already doing a course in digital training.
Digital marketing is very growing field in future. Then I recommended my friend or colleague to join digital training for knowing all about digital marketing and get the knowledge.
I tell my friends if they want to do digital marketing course, then I'll suggest Digital Trainee because they provide 100% practical courses.